Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are learning Deutsch. We learn German is the name of the series in which we are learning daily German or basic phrases that can be used in conversation. Now before we proceed to the sentences that we are going to learn today, I want you to note something. So you see a symbol here. Please note. Now, so far we have used 4 letters from German alphabet which are not part of English. So I just want to talk about it together. Whenever we have learnt a word including these letters, I have already spoken about it, but let's see it all together. So, umlaut, and the plural form is umlauter, is these two dots, and whenever you see them on top of a vowel, the pronunciation of the vowel changes. So this is A, and when you see two dots, it's A. Okay, A umlaut is how it is called. Remember the sentence we learned? Wann fährt der nächste Zug? And here, of course, we had spoken a lot about the pronunciation of Zug and how it is not Z and it's Z. Then there is O umlaut, and that is used in the word schön, which means beautiful. And in fact, it is also part of words like Dankeschön, Bitteschön. Then there is O umlaut, and it is pronounced as il. So the word tschüss uses it. Or even in the line from the song, O Tannenbaum, which we had learnt it together. Wie grün sind deine Blätter. So grün, the name of the color green, of course. And then there is SZ. This looks like beta, and it can also be written as double S, doppel-S. And you see a word here which uses O umlaut as well as this SZ. So Grüße, which of course means greetings. We have learned so many greetings by now. So now we go to the sentences that we are learning today. But remember all these: A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, SZ. Okay. So what sentences are we learning today? So of course, whenever one visits any place, one would like to talk about weather, right? It's one thing you can talk to even to a stranger. Wie ist das Wetter? Now, wie, you are familiar. Wie means how. Wie ist das Wetter? Wetter is the word for weather, and again, it's similar to the English counterpart. Now, if you want to say the weather is great, how do you say that? Das Wetter ist toll. So, repeat with me. Wie ist das Wetter? Wie ist das Wetter? Wie ist das Wetter? And what is the answer or the Antwort? Das Wetter ist toll. Das Wetter ist toll. Das Wetter ist toll. Now, if you want to say this is great, how will you say it? Now, I want you to write the answer for this question in the comments that you have below the video, right? In the comment section. Because here the word this, you can see it already on this slide. The word is there and the word great is there. So I want you to construct a sentence and write it in the comment section. And if it is right, I'll inform you that yes, it is right. Okay. So write it. Then if you want to say that you liked something. So I like this. How do you say that? Das gefällt mir. Gefallen is the verb, okay, which comes from to like. Das gefällt mir. Das gefällt mir. Now again, I want you to construct a sentence which means I like German, and write it in the comment section below the video. You already know the word for German. In fact, it is there on this slide. So I've given very easy questions where the answers, the words used in the answers are already there on this particular slide right now, or the screen right now. So write the answer for this. How do you say I like German? in German, right? And when you write the answer, if it is right, I'll inform you. If it is wrong, I'll inform you then as well. Now, if you've met a person and then you're leaving and you want to say that, nice to meet you, how do you say that? Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Of course, right now I am using the word form of du. So it's informal, it's not formal. I would like you to think how we can say it formally. And if you're able to understand, you can write it in the comment section. But right now, let me just give you the informal notation. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Freut mich. Now, freuen means you feel happy. That's how it comes from. So, nice is related to that. Mich, of course, is related to me. Dich is the informal form for you. And kennenzulernen. Kennenlernen means to meet you, or get to know you rather. More than meet you, it's get to know you. So you can also translate it as nice to get to know you. But in English, usually we say nice to meet you. So that's why I've written it that way. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. And lastly, if you want to say see you later, which I'm going to say right now, is bis später. Spät means late. Bis später. Bis später. Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen.